This is a brief video clip documenting my instruction in a 5th grade classroom at Storer Elementary School. I am teaching a mathematics lesson over the means of central tendency. The motivational piece I used to begin the lesson is a music video of a rap written by a teacher over the means of central tendency. The students are briefly commenting upon their interest in the effectiveness of the video.
That could help you out a little bit?
No, that helped me out a lot.
Did it?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because of the music can kind of get me.
Help you remember it a little bit? Yes.
The educational video engages students in content. I transition into new information by asking open-ended questions, which activate students' prior knowledge.
Can someone tell me what the 3 M's are again? Yeah, go ahead. What is it, Josh?
Mean, median, and mode.
Mean, median, and mode. Okay, in your own words, can someone describe to me how you find the mode?
You look at all the numbers and you write down each number and you write down, you could use like tally marks to see how many times each one, or you could just, if there's not, look at one number and see if there's any more, then cross it out if there's not.
Yeah, that's a good way. So the mode is what? If you do find, what is the mode though? If you're
Most often number.
the one that happens the most often, right? The highest bar shows us the value that appears the most often. The most often.
I address student
So even though you
misconceptions by
see-
referring to an example graph of data. The students will create a table and graph similar to the one shown in the following practice activities with the data they collect.
Or how many people had the most letters in their name. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people with 5 letters. That is our mode, because it is the value that appears the most often. Yes.
At this point in the lesson, students work cooperatively to gather data for the first activity. I have observed throughout the room, gauging the students' progress. I stopped to assist a group and remodel the procedure for the activity.
55. I would say 5. Do you think 4?
Yeah, I think 4.
Let's just say it's
I think it was, you're right. Let's do 154. Yes. So, let's see. Let's make sure. Everybody watch. Let's make sure we're all measuring about right. So, she is at 155. I would say 5. Do you think 4?
Yeah, I think 4.
Let's
just say it's
I think it was, you're right. Let's do 154. 154, because I moved it up a little bit.
Okay, now we need to do me again because
Just write it underneath.
Students progress at their own rate to complete the activity.
I like the way these
I
guys are
move
working
throughout the
over
room
here.
assessing student progress and preparing students to move on to the next step of the lesson. Students are developing the mean, median, and mode, referring to a graphic representation of the data.